in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenosha, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Pleasant Prairie, and Elmwood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.